There's Connor's first meal. Solid meal. Dave, he's going to grab that and it's going to be everywhere. Dave! Okay, hang on a second. David, I don't want this all over the bedroom, okay?
I got it just fine.
Dave, you have no idea what you're doing.
Hey, Munchkin. Here.
Is that good? Let me hold the ball. Please, you're making me crazy. I don't have anything else to give you if you drop this.
We bought a whole box of this stuff.
Is that good? What is that stuff? Mmm. It's pretty good, whatever it is. I'll take it. You want to get as much of it in his mouth as possible, too. Because then maybe he'll sleep all night long. Then he'll sleep all night long. Right? That's the plan. David's going out the side of his mouth.
Have a spoon? Get you some more?
Yes, Daddy.
If you give me the spoon, you can get some more, buddy. That's how this game works.
Let's put this under your mouth here. Is it going in? I'd rather you put him in the chair so you can see. Can you see what's going on there?
Yep.
Because it's not getting in the mouth. We need it to get in the mouth. What is going on here?
Good job, buddy.
You're doing a very good job.
Good.
In the mouth, Daddy. Scoop that up. There we go. Scoop it up. There we go. He's liking it. I'm surprised how much he's liking it. Mmm. Yummy. Pretty yummy. Some good stuff. I think holding him back was good because it was going in better.
Tastes pretty good. Sludge. So, I don't know if this qualifies as eating solid food. It's a lot like what I was eating last week in a bowl.
Dave, don't let him do it. It's going to be all over him instead of in his mouth.
It's not at all over him. He's got it under control. Do you see anything all over him?
Yeah, because I can see him, unlike you, who has a view of his nose.
Doing great, buddy.
The spoon is tipping when it gets to his mouth. You're making me nuts, Dave. This is not a game now. Please.
I'm going to put him in the chair. You excited? You want some more?